Yo, what's up, bros? It's your TRAVELZON guide, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to drop into one of the most insane, most hype cities on the planet. Tokyo, baby! Buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready for the best mind-blowing things to do in this concrete jungle. We're talking about crazy crossings, ancient temples, next-level tech, and enough weirdness to make your head spin. Let's go! Hold up. Did that vending machine just sell me a used sock? Anyway, this is Shibuya Crossing, the busiest intersection in the world. Tokyo Tower, looking kinda sus, not gonna lie. But hey, the view from up here, epic. Sensoji Temple. Older than your grandma's internet connection. But seriously, this place is lit. Harajuku fashion gone wild. Harajuku, where the fashion's so extra, it's basically a whole mood. I'm feeling it. Meiji Shrine. Shh. It's quiet time. Meiji Shrine, the perfect place to chill out after that Harajuku madness. So peaceful. Akihabara. Nerdvana unlocked. Akihabara, it's like if the internet became a real place, and it's glorious. Tsukiji Fish Market, sushi time. Tsukiji Fish Market, freshest sushi ever. And yes, they even have octopus. Tokyo Disneyland. Mickey Mouse, but make it Japanese. Tokyo Disneyland, because who doesn't love a good dose of childhood nostalgia? Ueno Park. Chill vibes only. Ueno Park, perfect for a chill stroll, a picnic, or maybe a nap under a tree. Don't judge. Odaiba. The future is now. Odaiba. Like stepping into a sci-fi movie, but with more robots. And giant Gundam statues. Roppongi Hills. Party people. Let's go! Roppongi Hills, where the nightlife is always lit. Time to turn up. Tokyo Skytree. Higher, baby. Tokyo Skytree. The view from up here is literally breathtaking. Worth the elevator ride. Ginza. Shopping spree time. Ginza. Where the shops are fancy, the prices are outrageous, and my wallet is crying. Help. Shinjuku Gyoen. Nature in the city. Shinjuku Gyoen, a little slice of peace and quiet in the middle of all the chaos. Asakusa. Old Tokyo vibes. Asakusa. It's like traveling back in time to old Tokyo, and I'm here for it. Yoyogi Park. Let's hang out. Yoyogi Park, perfect for a picnic, some people watching, or maybe a dance battle. You down? Imperial Palace. Meeting the Emperor. Not Imperial Palace. Sadly, no Emperor sightings today. But hey, the gardens are pretty dope. Nakano Broadway. Vintage Heaven. Nakano Broadway. A treasure trove of vintage toys, games, and all things retro. I'm in heaven. Ghibli Museum. Anime dreams come true. Ghibli Museum, like stepping into my favorite anime films. Totoro. Here I come. Rainbow Bridge. Tokyo's nightlights. Rainbow Bridge, the perfect way to end this Tokyo adventure. Look at that view. Well, everyone, there you have it. Epic things to do in Tokyo. This city is absolutely bonkers in the best way possible. If you haven't been, add it to your bucket list, like right now. Big thanks for coming along on this crazy ride with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more Travels On adventures, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what your favorite part was. Until next time, stay awesome.